Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the main top on your double oven electric range, be sure to shut off the power supply to the outlet or junction box. Open the upper oven door and use a Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the 2 screws securing the top. With the screws unthreaded, carefully lift off the old top. Install the new main top by positioning the rear edge under the control panel support brackets. Align the front edge, then thread and tighten the 2 screws to secure. Restore power to the outlet or junction box, and the electric range should be ready for use.